Hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Okay, so I have a technical question for you. And the question is explain equal, equals, equals, and equal 3 times in JavaScript. So explain to me what the sign equal versus 2 equals together versus 3 equals together means in JavaScript.
All right, so those three equals, double equals, and triple equals are all what are called JavaScript operators. And do you mind if I use a visual aid?
No, go ahead.
All right, so it would be a little bit easier if I demonstrated this. So the best way to use equals is to use it to assign two values to mean something. For instance, you can use a single equal sign to assign a variable to a value. If I wanted to make a variable named car and assign it the value of 6 in JavaScript, I would use a single equal sign like this. So that's how a single equal sign works. It assigns values. A double equal sign evaluates whether or not something actually equals the value that you've assigned. So, for instance, you would use that in a Boolean true or false situation. Let's say you have that same variable car, and you've written an if-then loop, or an if-else, and it only will go through properly if, pardon me, I wrote that down incorrectly, variable car equals 7. Now, since earlier we assigned variable car to equal 6, this will evaluate as Boolean false because the value of variable car equals 6. So the equals lets us know if that really equals 7. Now the triple equals sign evaluates for type and value. So for instance, if you were going to be using a JavaScript trigger for a CSS3 transformation. I did this recently for one of my classes. I used a triple equal sign to be able to evaluate if a certain button had been clicked, and that evaluated for the value of the button, whether the button was on or off, if it was on pause or play, and the actual type of the button, whether it was indeed a button that was being clicked.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for asking me.
Okay.